Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're diving into the ABYS LUX pre-built gaming PC, a powerhouse designed to cater to both gamers and creative professionals alike. Let's start with the aesthetics. This rig boasts a modern design, complete with a high-transparency side panel and 4 vibrant RGB fans, making it a visual treat for any setup. But it's not just about looks. This machine packs a punch under the hood too. With an Intel i5 quad-core processor and 16GB of RAM, multitasking feels like a breeze. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or working on graphic design projects, this PC handles it all with ease. Speaking of graphics, the 2GB video card might not be ideal for hardcore gaming, but it's more than capable for titles like Minecraft, CS, Go, and Fortnite. Plus, it's optimized for creative software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Cinema 4D, ensuring smooth performance during intense editing sessions. Storage-wise, you're covered with a spacious 256GB SSD and a 1TB HDD, offering lightning-fast boot times and ample space for all your files and games. And with additional SATA ports, expanding your storage is a breeze. On the software side, Windows 10 Pro comes pre-installed, guaranteeing stability and compatibility for all your gaming and productivity needs. And let's not forget about the peace of mind that comes with ABYS's 1-year warranty and hassle-free return policy. Overall, the ABYS LUX pre-built gaming PC strikes a perfect balance between performance, style, and affordability. Whether you're a gamer, graphic designer, or video editor, this versatile setup is sure to elevate your computing experience. So why wait? Unleash your creative power with the ABYS LUX pre-built gaming PC today. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.